Hi folks, just the last message on a Japanese diesel eater. I put two up before, I put a third one up but took it down because I put some paperwork up what shouldn't be up there. But I have been running the Japanese diesel eater now for the last 20 days and it's doing well. If I was to run the gas for the week, it would cost me 56 quid. Admittedly, running a diesel heater, you are not warming up the whole house. I'm just warming up what I spend most of my time in, which is this dining room area with my laptop in, and my kitchen, which is there, and also it do warm up the living room, which is through this door. But I paid £19.78 a litre tonight. Worked it out on the price. I am running the diesel heater for 30 pence an hour. And you work that out over a week, over 30 hours, it's a no-brainer. I've got the diesel heater up and running now, which is, I'd put the box to it, which is that one, pumps it in straight to the door, instead of warming up the passage beforehand. The diesel heater is on number 3, which is on number 3, but you can hear it ticking over sweetly, not a problem, no smell of diesel, no fumes or nothing, and the temperature at the moment on number 3 is, I'll switch around and see if you can see it. And this, sorry, it's in Fahrenheit, it's running at 80. So if I could turn it round to centigrade. Centigrade is 27. So what I'm trying to say is it certainly beats the gas bills. Admittedly, you're not warming up the whole of the house, but I'm only eating up where I spend most of my time. And I've been running it now for 17 hours a day, and I'm using just about over 30 hours. I'm using 5 litres, and that's only ticking over. And if I don't know whether you can see it, I'll rock the heater, you can see it moving. That's about halfway down at the moment, and that has been running since 6:30 this morning. So there's plenty in there tonight and halfway through tomorrow. So I'm running 30 hours on 5 litres at 30 pence an hour. If I was to run the gas, I'm looking at a tenner a day, easy, or just under. So the diesel heater is about the way to go. And the benefit of having a diesel heater in the winter through your door is in the summer you could put it on the shelf, move it over, put it on the shelf and forget about it till next winter. But all I can say is, you want to beat the gas bills, go for a diesel heater if you can get one in your house. But it's a no-brainer really. So this will be the last video on the diesel heater. I don't think I'll be doing another one on a diesel eater, but I do fish tanks and brew beers in other things, so I might put a few videos up on that lot. Thanks for watching. Bye.